Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and I'd like to share with you a project I finished recently. It was this towel with a Llamacorn on it. Isn't he so cute with the little flowers, and he has his horn, unicorn horn on a llama. This is from a collection of patterns by Designs by Juju, and I'll include a link in the description of this video to our website, which has more pictures and a link to where you can purchase this design pack. And it has a few different Llamacorns and some sayings that are really cute, so you might want to check that out. I embroidered the Llamacorn on a towel that I purchased from Kohl's department store. This came in like a 4 or 5 pack of towels, and it was a really good price. And I like the colors; they were pretty for summer. On the back, when I machine embroider on towels, I use a tearaway stabilizer, which I tore away most of it. There's some here. And then on the front, when I'm embroidering on these more fluffy towels, I do use a wash away stabilizer, which you can see a little bit, you might be able to see a little bit of shininess there. And then of course I use the pattern. And this is a machine applique embroidery pattern. We have a video on how to do machine applique embroidery if you're interested and want to learn how to do this kind of pattern. But with machine applique embroidery, what you do is actually use some fabric in different areas. So this is a white fabric, and then this is a white with some cream or very light printing on it for his ears and on his face. The patterns, when you buy them, will take you step by step through, and it stitches a placement stitch, and then you put down the fabric, and then it places a cutting line stitch, and then you cut around, and then it does the finishing stitches. Some of these flowers also have some fabrics in them too. The orange, purple, and this turquoise fabric. So again, if you don't know how to do machine applique embroidery, click on the link in the iCard or the description of the video, and it'll take you to our website, needlepointers.com, which I'll have a link to where to purchase these cute patterns. I will also have a link to the video that we have with a tutorial on how to do machine applique embroidery. I hope you enjoyed this project, and you can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the links to follow us. If you're on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.